mistake, which is not drawing on the right layer, but don't worry, it is fully intentional. So if you look at this, my finished drawing, you can see all the colors of the dimension of the doors, of the furnitures, of the walls, of the hatches. You get the point. The text, how is that? So those are possible because of layers. As you can see in this drawing, I have quite layers. So let's create these layers. We are back to our flat drawing. Don't worry, we will do every single thing you're seeing in that finished drawing. Everything. Come up here to the layer property, click once, and there we have it, our layer property manager palette. Click on this new layer option, which is a bunch of rectangles with a star. Click on it and we will name it wall, and click away and close. Don't change anything, we are coming to that in a minute. Close this. I don't know about you, but us around here, there are times when we want to go to school without a pen, and we then write with pencil, and then later on when we get our pen, we trace all that writing with pen and then use an eraser to erase. Back in high school, I'm talking about. So what do you call that? Honestly, don't be modest here. I will call that a waste of time. Why? Because you can just easily write with your pen in the first place. Why write with pencil and then trace it back and then clean it? So this is exactly the mistake we've made, because we didn't draw on the right layer, and now we have to get this wall to the right layer. So to do that, all we have to do is to select our wall, and there are basically 3 or more types of selection in AutoCAD. There is this one. We just hover over what we want to select, click to select, this kind of selection that we do when we are creating our door opening. So press escape and select, and then we have the window selection, which you click at the top left of what you want to select. Click once, come all the way up, and then click again, and you select everything. Press escape to deselect, and then we have the third and the final and the most powerful of all the selection, which is the cross window selection, which you just click and come all the way up. Click from the bottom right all the way to the top left, and then click. I will show you why it is the most powerful one. So select all our wall and then come to this layer drop down, click on it, and then take them to the layer they deserve, which is the wall layer. To make sure they are on the right layer, first of all deselect them, come up and on here with that bob icon, which is turn a layer on or off. Click that and the walls are gone. Click again and they are back. So we are now sure they are on the right layer. So now let's create our doors. Discover all the details in our complete Mastering AutoCAD 3-bedroom design for client video, where we cover everything in great detail from start to finish.